Hello, I'm Caleb, a physiotherapist from Sengkang General Hospital. In this video, we will be sharing with you some general care tips to support you on your journey for caring for your new limb. We understand that the journey to recovery after amputation can feel daunting, but know that we are committed to providing you with guidance you need every step of the way. This is the first installment of 3 videos. Please watch the next video for the bed exercises. Taking good care of your stump is crucial, especially if you plan to get a prosthesis in the future. It is important to visually check your skin regularly as sensation in the area may be poor. Look out for any new wounds, broken skin, or blisters, and don't forget to check out your intact limb as well. If you notice an increased or persistent redness, swelling, warmth, pain, or open wounds, please seek medical attention promptly. Part of your stump care involves keeping the area moisturized. Apply moisturizer around the stump, then gently massage the healed scar to smoothen the tissues. Try to massage against the scar line. This may also be helpful if you have phantom limb pain, to desensitize the area. Do not do this unless the scar has fully healed, with no staples or gaps. Do avoid any areas with scabs. Next, in order to prepare your stump for the prosthesis, we will need to shape it into its optimal size and shape. This can be done by wearing a stump shrinker. Here's how. Firstly, open up the shrinker and get all the way to the bottom. Open up the shrinker as wide as possible. Next, pull it up onto your stump. There should be no wrinkles or spaces within the shrinker. For above knee amputees, put on the waist belt as well. The shrinker should be worn at all times except when showering for no more than 15 minutes. Lastly, it is important to prevent tightness and restriction in your legs, as this may hinder the use of the prosthesis. Here are some positions to prevent joint restrictions. Avoid placing a pillow underneath your stump leg. When sitting, do not let your stump hang down the chair. Avoid opening your legs too widely. The best position will be to lie prone. This will relieve pressure from your buttocks and straighten the hips. If you can tolerate the prone position, stay in that position for 20 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day. Regular exercise improves joint and muscle flexibility, allowing for pain-free movement within a functional range. After returning home, it is essential to continue to participate actively in self-care activities, moving around and exercising within your own means and safety. Our therapists will guide you with the methods best suited for you. See you in the next video on bed exercises.